Thomas Weather.
The Rich Thomas Weather Network, brought to you by these fine sponsors. Hear Rich's forecast hourly on these Blue Water Broadcasting radio stations.
Hey, good morning, everybody. Rich here on this Thursday morning. It's the 30th day of May already. This month is almost over. Hard to believe. Well, there's at least a small chance of seeing a shower in the area today. It's not good, but it's the best chance we've seen in quite a while. We'll talk about this frontal system coming in. I'll show you future radar and give you an idea on your odds of getting wet in your town. We'll also look ahead to the weekend forecast. I think the temperature may be down just a little bit as the month of June begins, back to more tolerable levels, but the temperature may actually go up again next week. Let's get into the details here.
Do you see that weak front on the map right around the Memphis area? It's heading southeast and weakening further, heading towards Alabama, and it may be just enough lift for a few spotty storms in the state today. Widely scattered. Most towns will stay dry, but some lucky communities will get a downpour, so we'll put in a small rain chance for today. Mostly sunny skies. Good luck. It's the best we've seen in a while. Today's high 93, so not quite as hot. Tonight's low 71, and the winds will be light. Tomorrow, the front gets a little bit more of a push and makes it into southeast Alabama. I'll hang on to a small 20% chance of a passing thunderstorm, and even less than that over the weekend. In fact, the rain chance is very small Saturday and Sunday, with high temperatures in the lower 90s as the month of June begins. So a fairly typical early June forecast. And then as we get towards Monday and Tuesday, mostly hot and dry. I think the rain chances are just about nil, and we'll start to edge the temperatures back up closer to the middle 90s by the time Tuesday gets here, and maybe hotter than that. I'll show you the models in just a moment. First, we'll hang on to a 20% rain chance tomorrow with a high around 92, and just about zero rain chances Saturday and Sunday, not quite. And then back to the middle 90s, I think, on Monday and Tuesday, and maybe some showers perhaps towards the middle of next week if we're lucky. Meanwhile, from the Climate Prediction Center, the above normal temperatures continue for about the next 10 days across the southeastern U.S. If you're on vacation and going to the Northeast or the Great Lakes, that's where below normal temperatures will be. And look what the GFS does on its raw numbers. It kind of takes us back into the mid and upper 90s towards the middle of next week. Let's hope that's not right. The beach forecast for the beaches from Gulf Shores to Panama City. Small rain chances today and tomorrow, with highs in the upper 80s. And then just about zero rain chances Saturday and Sunday, with water temperature at 84 degrees. Another very warm water temperature. And by the way, the Caribbean Sea looks a little disturbed when you look at this picture, but there are no focused systems that the National Hurricane Center is focusing on right now as far as tropical development. The hurricane season begins on Saturday officially. And our partners at the Alabama News Network getting you ready for hurricane season, safe from the storm. This Saturday, which is June 1st, the first day of the hurricane season, join us at 6 p.m. for Safe from the Storm with meteorologist Shane Butler, Ryan Stinnett, Ben Lang, Matt Breland, and myself. Saturday, 6 p.m., CBS 8 and ABC 32.
Oh, by the way, tonight on CBS 8 and ABC 32 on my Weather Extra at 6 and 10, we'll be talking about that summertime forecast, that forecast that starts to sound the same every day, but there's a lot more complexity to it. We'll get into the meat and potatoes of putting together the summer forecast and what some of those terms mean tonight at 6 and 10 on ABC 32 and CBS 8. There'll be another video for you first thing tomorrow morning at 4:45 a.m. and your forecast whenever you want it across the dial on the Blue Water family of stations, 8 stations, and I will see you later. I hope you have a great day today.
Rich Thomas Weather.